Welife presents Body Derm Gel with homeopathic HGH. But what exactly is HGH, or human growth hormone? HGH powers your growth from the moment you are born and is a compound produced in the pituitary gland at the base of the brain. It controls much of what other glands do. Above the pituitary is the hypothalamus, responsible for sending signals to the pituitary and determines which hormones the pituitary will release. For example, the hypothalamus sends a hormone to trigger the pituitary's release of it, affecting the size of muscle and bone in the body. It also triggers thyroid-stimulating hormone, causing the thyroid to produce hormones which stimulate metabolism in our bodies. The pituitary gland also produces hormones affecting in women ovaries and egg production, and in men the testes and sperm production. As we age, it is essential to keep organs and tissue healthy and maintain proper energy levels. However, as we age, our pituitary gland's ability to produce its own hormone decreases to as much as half by the age of 30. Body Derm Gel provides a topical skin cream supplement solution to recharge the body and encourage the master gland to produce its own hormone for a healthier, stronger, and more youthful you. Developed by Dr. Rudy Dragon, the HGH expert, Welife's Body Derm Gel can support many of the functions of HGH, including improved sleep, anti-aging, improving the body's recovery efficiency, reducing body fat, stimulating hair growth, and much more. Turn back your biological clock with Body Derm Gel. Enroll and purchase it today and feel young again with Welife.